Most people won't believe this. Earning more money is not what fixes your finances. In fact, I've met senior managers, doctors, engineers, NGO directors, people earning very good money in Kenya, and they are still stressed, still stretched, still unsure about their future. You have a SACCO savings, you contribute to NSSF and a pension, you may even own land or an apartment, yet you feel that something is still off. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand why a high income can actually delay your financial freedom. The 4 money buckets that quietly control your entire financial life, and how to use the same income you already earn to move forward towards real freedom, not just comfort. Stay with me, because this might be the most important money conversation you've had in years. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Manyara Kiragu. For over 2 decades, I've worked with high-earning Kenyan professionals, people working in companies such as Safaricom, Citibank, Bamburi Cement, NGOs, banks, and other multinationals. Many of the people I coach were once exactly where you might be today. Good income, busy career, responsible, but financially anxious. Today, many of them own cash-flowing rental property, have dependable income outside their jobs, and most importantly, they have peace of mind. But not because they have earned more, but because they have learned how to control their money buckets. Let's talk about the beliefs that keep intelligent, hardworking Kenyans financially stuck. Myth number 1. As long as my salary keeps growing, I'll be okay. This belief feels logical. Promotions, bonuses, allowances, it all looks like progress. But here is the uncomfortable truth. When income grows without structure, expenses grow faster. A better car, better house, better schools, more commitments. You end up running harder on the same treadmill, just with nicer shoes. Myth number 2. My retirement plan will take care of my retirement. This is a very common assumption. Retirement plans are important, yes, but they were never designed to create freedom, only support. Most people discover this too late. The lump sum looks big until life starts using it monthly. School fees, medical expenses, family obligations, and then inflation. Suddenly, that big number starts shrinking very fast. Myth number 3. I still have time. I'll figure it out later. This one is dangerous because it feels harmless. But time without direction doesn't help you. Time with a clear system does. The cost of waiting is not just lost money. It's lost options, lost energy, and lost peace. Here is the principle that changes everything. Employment pays you. Ownership frees you. Let me say that another way. Your job can fund your journey, but it will never finish it. Freedom does not come from how much you earn. Freedom comes from owning income-producing assets. Repeat this with me mentally. Income is temporary. Assets are permanent. Ownership creates choices, and in Kenya today, with the job uncertainty, rising costs, and longer retirements, this principle matters more than ever. Let me tell you about a man I'll call James. James is a senior professional in Nairobi. He's in his mid-30s and married with 2 children. On paper, he was doing everything right. He had a good salary, active SACCO, a retirement plan, and he had also bought a plot for the future. But month after month, he felt squeezed. School fees hit hard. Savings felt slow, and the idea of retirement quietly worried him. The turning point came when he realized something painful. All his money was going into buckets that consumed, not produced. We worked together to reorganize his finances. Not earning more, not gambling on business, but deliberately redirecting surplus income into cash-flowing assets. Today, he owns his first multi-unit rental property. The rental income covers his living expenses, and his salary is no longer his only option. More importantly, his home is calmer. Money conversations are clearer, and the future feels manageable again. Now let's get practical. Every shilling you earn flows into 4 buckets, whether you control them or not. Bucket number 1, lifestyle and consumption. This is where daily life lives. Rent or mortgage, food, transport, school fees. You cannot eliminate this bucket, but you must control it. If this bucket grows faster than your income, it quietly suffocates everything else. Bucket number 2, protection and safety. That's insurance, emergency fund, medical cover. This bucket protects your progress. Without it, one illness or crisis can wipe out years of effort. Many people underfund this until it's too late. Bucket number 3, storage and false progress. This is where money looks safe but doesn't grow meaningfully. Savings account, low yield SACCO balances, idle plots with no income. This bucket feels responsible, but it often creates stagnation. Money here is parked, not working. And then there is bucket number 4, growth and cash flow assets. This is the freedom bucket. Rental property, businesses that run without you, assets that pay you monthly. This bucket is what eventually replaces your salary. Ignore it and you work forever. Feed it consistently and time starts working for you. Let's address what you might be thinking right now. Well, I don't earn enough yet. Well, most of my successful clients didn't start out with enough. They started out with structure. Another excuse is I still have time. Time without action is not an advantage. It's a delay. I'm afraid of choosing the wrong investment. Well, fear disappears with guidance, education, and a proven system. But this feels complicated. No, it's not complicated. It's unfamiliar. And unfamiliar things become simple with the right support. Here's what you can realistically do, even with a busy career. Step 1. Get clear on your full financial picture. Assets, debts, cash flow. No guessing. Step 2. Decide what you really want. Prestige or peace. Image or income. Step 3. Learn the basics of income-producing assets. Not theory, but practical numbers that matter. Step 4. Stop random investing. One clear direction beats 5 scattered attempts. Step 5. Get guidance instead of experimenting with your future. This is exactly what I help professionals do inside my financial freedom coaching program. We don't chase hype. We don't guess. We build a clear, structured path from income to assets. Clients come in confused and leave with clarity, confidence, and an action plan they can execute. If this video resonated with you, here is the next logical step. Book a free one-on-one strategy session with me, and in that session, you'll gain a true picture of your financial condition with no assumptions, just clarity. A personalized roadmap, how to convert your income into assets that fit your life, confidence and direction. You'll know exactly what to do next and what to ignore. And there is no pressure, just clarity and honest guidance. The link is in the description below. Now, let me ask you, have you always assumed that earning more money would eventually fix everything? Tell me in the comments if this video helped you. Please like it, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this before it's too late. My mission is simple. It is to help Kenyan professionals move from salary dependence to financial freedom, peace of mind, and choice. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.